A little over 20 years ago, the Dutch Ministry of Infrastructure and Environment called in the help of Bosch Rexroth to protect the Netherlands from ongoing threats from the North Sea. The Hartel storm surge barrier was built, one half of the Europort barrier that keeps more than 2 million inhabitants of the lower areas in the Netherlands safe from storm surges and coastal flooding. Bosch Rexroth delivered the complete hydraulic drive and control system, including the largest hydraulic cylinders the country had ever seen at the time. Now, 2 decades later, this pinnacle of expert engineering requires our attention once again. Although the barrier and its drive system are still fully intact, a complete modernization is required to ensure another extensive period of safe and efficient operation. Only part of the major structure can be revised and renewed on site. Other parts need to be modernized at different locations. Pontoon cranes are called in to unhinge the barrier's doors and cylinders, after which these crucial parts are shipped to shore and, in the case of the cylinders, transported to the factory where they first saw light. But there is only limited time as the storm season awaits its annual return. The team has 12 weeks with absolutely no room for error. Numerous maintenance, engineering, and planning experts work around the clock to get the service project done in time. Merging 20 years of innovation with a once premiering megastructure is no small task. Rods are coated with corrosion protection layers. Shells are thoroughly inspected on the inside, while their outer bodies are restored to a hallmark yellow. Seals are replaced, and a renewed innovative measuring system is incorporated in the hydraulic cylinders. Not a single bolt is left uninspected. Not one pipe is left untouched. Upon its completion, the old is met with the new, and a fully modern structure re-emerges, ready to be put back into the channel where it belongs. The Hartel barrier has been successfully restored and can now go on protecting the Netherlands well into the next 20 years.